Samsung. Basahin mo to.
Nakita ko nga.
Okay, sakay na ako kotse. Ayokong mamatay.
Gusto mo ikaw mag-drive?
No.
Feel ko dapat ikaw mag-drive.
Bakit? Mabangga tayo.
Hindi yan. Di ba gusto mo
Ano
maglaro?
mo ba? Uy, may tugtog.
Ay,
Pwede
diba?
mag-sound trip sa kotse.
Sino yan?
Saan tayo pupunta?
Kuhanin siguro yung
Saan yun?
Ito, yung trailer.
Akala ko truck yan.
Kukonect mo yung likod niyan dito sa likod nito. Ba't naka-on yung headlights mo? Tas ang taas pa.
Di ko alam.
Mambabangga ka pa oh. Grabe.
Dead ma. O, connect.
Anong connect? Hindi i-atras mo dito.
Hindi siya tali. Ano ba yan? Wala! Igigi. Okay na?
Yeah, okay na. Dito ako sa likod.
Bakit? Ginawa mo akong drug?
Hindi, joke lang dyan ako. Narangan mo daw sila. Ba't ka lumilipad?
Hey, I need you over here.
What?
The other end? I got this side.
You could have just said grab the couch.
That's what I just said.
Ha?
Ha?
Nandito na yung
Nasa loob na yung
couch.
coach eh.
We missed some of our stuff at first. Ano ba? Kailangan ba balance ito?
Meron pa dito sa...
Saan? Ayoko.
Anong ayaw mo?
Ang dilim.
Taasan mo yung brightness.
Mataas na siya.
Hindi madilim.
Di ba tayo mamatay dito? Pila ko mamatay tayo.
Hindi.
Mamatay tayo dito.
Do not drop.
Mamamatay tayo dito.
Bakit mo
Dilim
mamatay?
ako.
Bahay natin to. Walang mumu dito sa game.
May horror to, di ba?
Oo, pero hindi mumu. Based on true story siya.
Oh, di mas nakakatakot.
Pero hindi mumu.
Wait,
Ano pa?
kati.
Wow, what the fuck?
Kato ka dun.
Wala namang... Nakuha mo na ba yung suitcase?
No.
Ito.
Di ba pwede na yung sound trip na ito?
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the hell? What the hell is happening? What's that
Okay.
button? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stay on west. 1.3 miles.
West.
Dad. What the fuck?
West daw eh.
Nasa highway tayo, tingin sa loob. Lahat ng traffic na block na. Exit right. Oh my god. Sinasabi si Dad, keep me updated, Marcos. Okay. Galing. Bakit ba tayo bumigewang-gewang meron tayong dalang trailer sa likod?
Bumali ko sa coaching ko.
Ikaw yung nagmamaneho talaga.
Oo, sino nagpamaneho sa akin, di ba ikaw?
Kasi may lisensya ka, ako wala.
O sino may kotse? Ikaw, di ba?
Wala akong kotse. Doon tayo sa kanan. Umaatras sa highway. Gago.
Damn.
Tangina. Stay on Old Cascade Highway 2.7 miles. Pumupunta sa maling lane.
Hindi maling lane yan, no? F to converse,
See
no.
update. You're on post. Wow!
Marcus!
Oh, shit.
Mabababa ako.
What is happening? Hindi pala kaya. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ba't tayo mo ilagay dun?
Pagod na yung babae.
May ano kasi. Atras na pa. Atras. Papunta sa akin. Sa side. Tulak mo punta sa akin.
Wala na siya sa daan.
Couldn't have driven with a trailer door wide.
Ha? Paano nabuksan yun? Gago, may kasama na tayo sa likod. Dong digi 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 dong digi digi digi. Turn right on Roseburg Road in 0.2 miles. Yeah, turn right. Stay on Roseburg Road for 2.5 miles.
Uh-oh.
What is that?
A light on the dash came on.
Problema nun.
Nasa likod.
Bro, just go around.
Overtake ka kaya.
Nangyayari. 0.5 miles.
Jesus.
Dong digi 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 dong digi ding. Dong digi digi ding dong. Dong digi 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 dong digi 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 dong digi digi ding dong. Except nothing could prepare us for what came next.
Hello?
Ew, chocolate.
Hello?
There's no one here.
Anybody here? Ooh, the sign says open. Someone's gotta be around here.
Gago ba?
Babe, look.
Gago, paano mo nagawa yan? Wala na, di mo na nagawa. Ay, wala, ano. Nope. Nope.
Saan ka?
No. Ikaw maghawak kasi ikaw mauuna. Men used to go to war. Ah!
Together.
Yeah.
Just and match.
Racist siya.
Sabi na nga ba eh.
From there? Hindi nga nakabukas yung engine eh. Hindi nakabukas yung hood.
Damn thing ain't made to haul a trailer.
What you mean? Bro, from there?
Blown head gasket and your
Gaano kalinaw yung mata mo? Are you sure? Didn't even take a look.
I've been fixing engines longer than y'all been alive. Know
That's
what I'm looking at?
crazy.
Wala
Come on
nga
now,
isa eh.
Charlotte.
Wala na isa.
Wala na isa?
Mm,
Di ba natin naiwan?
no.
Oo, kita mo yun.
Feeling ko kung nag-road trip tayo ng ganito katagal, mag-aaway din tayo.
Some of the younger folks split away and started new
What the
scratch
hell?
temple
Sakit
up
sa
the
mata
hill.
nun.
But we don't worship the
I really had to pee. I think I have to pee.
Masama
Di-
bakit ang umihi? Oo.
I think dito ako. Oh no.
I had
I
to
think-
wait.
Oh my god, ang pangit dito, babe. There's a statue of like may Santo
I
Niño
can't
na malaki, pati may
I can't-
Mama Mary.
There
May
was a
dalawang
black
tao.
man.
Ha?
There was a black man running out palabas and
Sabi ko
sabi
na
niya
eh.
don't. So,
May dalawang tao dun sa dalawang white man. White man.
Ah,
Paglabas ko ng CR, nakatingin lang sila sa akin.
This way.
What the fuck are you doing?
oh my God.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, naririnig.
Nade-detect yung mic natin pag nagtatago. Kailangan nating magtago, tas manahimik.
I think mali
She
to.
needed towels. Pwede mo buksan yung pinto? Need ba i-restart?
Well,
What the fuck? Sa buong dialogue na yun, naglalaro lang ako ng cow game dun sa cellphone. Open mo yung cellphone mo, babe. Merong cow game.
oh.
Okay, clicker. Sige, magsi-CR lang ako. What the fuck?
Ah,
Lumabas na yung guy.
oo nga eh.
Naglalaro ko na lang.
Oo. Hindi ka nakamute sa DC ah.
Ay, we? Pwede ka umabot hanggang 10, 100.
This place is old, and that includes
Kunin ko yung flashlight. Look through the door. Okay, I shouldn't have left the door open. Yep, that's true actually. Door was locked on the inside dito. Okay, so pupunta ako dun sa pinakamalaking building dito na kulay red na nakakatakot. That's crazy. Alright, sure. Let me just do that real quick. No worries. Jump scare incoming. 3, 2, 1. Fuck. Holy shit. Alright, just get in, get out. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. Get in. I know. I hear basements as well. Uy, may isa pang flashlight dito. Shit. Sayang. Get towels. Nice. I already got the towels. Okay, get out, get out. Oh no. Wala akong signal. Shit. Alright, I'm going. Sayang yung isang flashlight, hindi ko makuha. Holy shit. Whoa, my god. So scary. I know. I'm chilling as well. So many chilling. Oh, so it's a tunnel. Where does it lead? No, 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 please. Oh my god. Just go, just go, just go, just go, just go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, lock, oh, lock. Oh! Oh my god.
What the?
Na-off ko yung cacophony. Holy shit. Where am I? Nakaalis na ata ako, I think. Oh my god. What's wrong with you,
Hell
man?
were you doing down there?
What was I doing down there? Maybe fix your doors before blaming me. I was
What the fuck is wrong with Hello? Hello? Hi. May nakasalubong akong lalaki.
Siya yung nandito kanina.
I got your towels.
Pumunta siya dito.
It opened with a little bit of.
Pumunta siya dito sa loob. Wala naman siya nilagay na towel. Ikaw pa yung nagdala ng towel.
Guy came
Pumasok
up here
siya?
while you were gone.
I forgot to sign the guest book she asked for.
She said it's by the entrance, right?
Yeah, on her desk.
Oh.
I'll go. You just got out of the bath.
Marcus, just go freshen up.
Ikaw yung bababa.
Oo.
Good luck! Bakit ang itim ng itsura ng tubig?
Open.
Oh shit. Hello.
I love you, boo. Good night.
Hindi ka nag-I love you sa akin.
You okay?
Yeah, haha.
Question mark, question mark, question mark, AM. What the fuck? I'm walking. Hello? Ay, rinig mo ako? Hello? Hello? What the fuck? Come as you are. You want me to come? Why do you want me to come? Why do you want me to come? I don't know what you want.
Open the door. Oh, I need to tell you something.
Babe, may tao sa loob. May tao sa loob. May tao sa loob ng kwarto.
Get
Nagtago siya dun
Go,
sa
go, go.
closet. Oh, ayun na. Sa akin. Dito, dito.
They came this way. Around down here.
Yan, okay na ata. Ganun lang, sa front door. Kasama ko muna.
Galing.
Okay, nice. Oh shit. Oh no!
Ay, wala na.
What? What? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Ay, ko alam.
Na-try mo pumasok?
Hindi makapasok.
Oo. Are you staying? Or would you like to stay in? 'Cause I love to live and I live for you. I live to love and I love you. I love to live and I live for you. I live to love and I love you. Where is dude? Ano ka na? Go. Go.
Ah. Trailer's too heavy.
Trailer's too heavy.
Stop. Right there.
What do you mean? Nandito na tayo.
Mabigat yung dala natin.
Ba yan? Okay. Tanggalin mo na yung trailer. Tanggalin mo na yung trailer. Taas, pasok. Kamusta na yung baka mo?
Hindi na ako makapag-upgrade eh.
Bakit?
Hindi ko mapindot
Hindi mo pindot?
yung upgrade.
Paano? Magkano pa naman? 230 million per second. We decided to hide in the trailer. What? Sa likod? Oh. Nagmumute. Oh shit, sorry. Mali.
Hindi na lang matutong manahimik eh.
Hey, I know this isn't the right time,
What's up, ba?
but I love you.
What?
God, I love you so much.
Why are you saying
I
this
should
shit?
have said it a
What the
million
hell?
times. I
What the-
really should
what?
have. I dragged you into this.
Dito.
Sorry.
Ako nagtatago.
I love you too. So much.
Get in here a second. Don't you understand? I've been going bad with your eyes.
Tanggalin mo yung trailer. Okay. Go, go, go.
Good. No
Oh my
roads
God.
selected.
Ano daw?
Walang ways.
Walang ways. Uy, ba't lumabas ang pointer ko? Yun na, I guess. Tapos na.
Or,
That's crazy. Ano to, may after credits pa. Tingnan mo kung gaano ka lakas yung sway dun sa puno. Tumatagilid yung puno. Grabe. Para bang bamboo. Hindi naman ganyan yung totoong ano. Gumaganyan ba yung puno sa totoong buhay? Hindi ba
Pwede.
bamboo lang naman yung nagaganyan?
may mga puno din na ganyan.
Ganun. People of New York City.
Buko.
Buko tree.
Hmm.